The most common plumbing problems found during inspections are leaky pipes, slow drains, water heater issues, low water pressure, and outdated or corroded piping throughout the home. When an inspector checks your plumbing, they are basically looking for clues that something might fail soon or is already causing hidden damage. Leaky pipes are the #1 issue because even a tiny drip behind a wall can rot wood and grow mold without anyone noticing for months. Slow drains usually mean there is a clog forming somewhere deep in the pipe, often from grease, hair, or tree roots pushing into older sewer lines. Water heaters get flagged a lot too, especially if they are past 10 years old, since the inside tank starts rusting and can eventually leak or even burst. Something most people do not know is that many older homes still have galvanized steel pipes, and those pipes rust from the inside out, which means they can look fine outside but be nearly clogged shut inside. Low water pressure is another big one, and it is often caused by mineral buildup inside the pipes rather than a problem with the city water supply. If your home was built before 1980, it is worth asking specifically about pipe material during any inspection. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming a small water stain on the ceiling is old and no longer active, when in reality it could be a slow leak that is still happening right now, so always press on the area to check for softness or moisture. Another misconception is thinking that if the water looks clear, the pipes must be fine, but corrosion and lead can still be present even in clean-looking water, so getting a water quality test is a smart move. People also tend to ignore weird gurgling sounds from their toilet or sink, not realizing that is often an early warning sign of a blocked vent pipe or sewer line, and catching it early can save thousands of dollars in repairs. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.